Discovering the shade under the acorn tree. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the charming and picturesque phrase, under the acorn tree. This expression isn't just about a tree or its acorns. It's packed with imagery, symbolism, and cultural significance. Let's uncover the layers of meaning and how you can use this phrase in English conversations and writing. Under the acorn tree literally describes a location or scene where one is physically situated beneath an oak tree, known for its acorns. Oak trees are symbolic of strength, endurance, and longevity. Being under an oak tree might evoke feelings of being connected with nature, experiencing tranquility, and finding shelter. This phrase can carry deep symbolic and cultural meanings. In literature and folklore, oak trees are often depicted as wise, ancient beings offering protection and wisdom. Under the acorn tree might thus symbolize a place of safety, growth, or learning. It can also evoke a sense of heritage and tradition, as oak trees are revered in many cultures around the world. You can use under the acorn tree in several contexts. Descriptive writing, to paint a vivid picture of a scene or setting, adding a touch of natural beauty and serenity. Symbolic meaning, to convey themes of strength, protection, or wisdom in storytelling or discussion. Metaphorical usage, in conversations, to hint at seeking guidance or a peaceful refuge during tough times. Let's see how to weave this phrase into sentences. We shared our deepest secrets under the acorn tree, feeling safe in its ancient embrace. Finding solace under the acorn tree, she pondered over her grandfather's wise words. The village elders always held meetings under the acorn tree, believing it would bless their decisions with longevity and strength. We hope this journey under the acorn tree has enlightened you about its rich layers of meaning beyond just a simple phrase. It's a beautiful example of how language encapsulates nature, culture, and emotion. May you find your own shade under the acorn tree in your English language adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of English expressions.